Hi friends, Ernest here. Today I'm here to review Affiliate Marketing Ultimate Profits 2022. And now this is a very simple product. It is not a shiny object. If you have to learn about affiliate marketing, then this is a product for you. This product is produced by Robert Blanton, a well-known producer of such good softwares. Does not promise you that you'll make a lot of money overnight. You have to do a little bit of hard work. You have to go through it, and in the long run you will benefit. And let's see what it is all about. So here we have Earnestly Splendid Bonus Bundle. I'll talk to you about that once you decide to purchase Affiliate Marketing Ultimate Profits 2022 by clicking the link below and buying from me. Then you'll also get the Earnestly Splendid Bonus Bundles. Now, talking about the Affiliate Marketing Ultimate Profits 2022, if you are stuck with affiliate marketing for a long time with no results, then this is the right place you have come to. How to get traffic, how to get sales, all these things are there in this ultimate guide to start making you profits for the year 2022. And what is Affiliate Marketing Ultimate Profits all about? As I told you, if you are stuck with affiliate marketing, then this is the right place. And what will you learn from this that you have not learned from others? Inside this ebook, you will discover the ultimate and powerful topics about finding your niche, finding the right products or service to products, creating your own products or services, finding the right affiliate and the affiliates that you should avoid, a powerful technology for affiliate marketers, marketing for more sales and profit, and steps to getting started. The ultimate affiliate marketing guide increases sales and traffic, selects the right niche. If you are worrying about what niche or you are wondering what niche you should pursue, this will give you the right answers. The ultimate and the powerful profit guide. You won't waste your time. You can go into what you like. Easy to learn and understand, and it's a very helpful technology. And there is no upsells, no front end and all that. There is only one price of $29. So with $29, you get everything what you need to know about ultimate marketing. So click here to secure your bonus. When you click here, you will be able to go buy the product as well as the bonuses. And what are the bonuses that you'll be getting? The bonus number 1, easy methods to rank your YouTube videos. So as the name itself suggests, you'll be able to rank your YouTube videos, which is a real difficult thing to do when you are starting affiliate marketing for the first time. Bonus number 2, the bonus tutorial is about traffic mantra, how to pull traffic from LinkedIn, Reddit and other online forums. Bonus number 3 is how to maximize your YouTube channel with traffics. And the 4th bonus you'll be getting from me is pre-built evergreen product to give a consistent sales for you. So these are the bonuses you'll be getting. I don't think there's any bonus from the vendor. And as I told you, it is not a shiny object. If you have to learn a lot about affiliate marketing to give you the ultimate profits in 2022, you can go grab this link and take my bonuses free along with the product. So that's it, my friends. Very short and sweet presentation, or a sweet and short review for you. I hope you liked my review, and please put a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.